Question number 1. What is the main function of the CPU in a computer? The correct answer is letter D. Perform calculations and process instructions.
A CPU or central processing unit is the brain of a computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations.
Question number 2. What does RAM stand for? The correct answer is letter D. Random access memory.
RAM stands for random access memory. It does not store data permanently. RAM loses all its data once the power is turned off.
Question number 3. Which component is responsible for storing the operating system? The correct answer is letter B. Hard drive.
The component of a computer responsible for storing data permanently is the hard disk drive. This storage device retains data even when the computer is turned off, making them the primary means of long-term storage, the operating system.
Question number 4. What is the purpose of the motherboard? The correct answer is letter D. To connect all the computer parts together.
The motherboard acts as the central connection point for all the computer's components. It enables communication between the CPU, memory, storage devices, and peripherals, ensuring that everything works together seamlessly. Without the motherboard, the different parts of a computer wouldn't be able to interact or function properly.
Question number 5. Which of the following is an input device? The correct answer is letter D. Keyboard.
An input device is any hardware component that allows users to input data or commands into a computer. A keyboard is considered an input device because it allows users to input data and commands into a computer by pressing keys.
Question number 6.
What type of memory is non-volatile and retains data without power?
The correct answer is letter B. ROM.
Non-volatile memory refers to types of computer memory that retain stored data even when power is turned off. ROM or read-only memory is a common example of non-volatile memory. It is used to store firmware, which is essential software that is permanently programmed into the hardware of a computer or other electronic devices.
Question number 7. Which of the following is not a type of storage device? The correct answer is letter A. RAM.
RAM, random access memory, is not considered a storage device in the traditional sense. Instead, RAM is a type of volatile memory used to temporarily store data that the computer's CPU needs to access quickly while performing tasks.
Question number 8. What is the primary function of hardware in a computer system? The correct answer is letter D, to provide physical components that make up the computer.
Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. These are the tangible parts that you can see and touch, which work together to perform the various functions required by the system. Hardware includes everything from the central processing unit, CPU, to peripherals like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor.
Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of software? The correct answer is letter D, Windows operating system.
The Windows operating system is a type of software known as an operating system. It manages the hardware and software resources of a computer, provides a user interface, and enables other software applications to run.
Question number 10. What is the purpose of a power supply unit, or PSU? The correct answer is letter D, to convert AC to DC power.
A power supply unit, PSU, converts mains AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a desktop computer.
Question number 11. Which component of the computer is known as the brain? The correct answer is letter C, Central Processing Unit, or CPU.
You can think of the CPU as a brain because it controls how data flows throughout the entire computer system under the influence of instructions, which are called programs.
Question number 12. Which type of memory is volatile and used for temporary data storage? The correct answer is letter D, random access memory.
RAM, random access memory, is considered volatile memory because it loses its stored data when the power is turned off or interrupted.
Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of an output device? The correct answer is letter C, monitor.
Output devices allow to convert electronic information into human-readable format. This format may be audio, visual, textual, or hard copy such as printed document. A monitor is considered an output device because it displays information generated by the computer for the user to see.
Question number 14. What is the main function of software? The correct answer is letter C, to provide instructions to the hardware.
The main function of software is to provide instructions that enable a computer to perform specific tasks or operations.
Question number 15. Which component is responsible for temporary data storage while a computer is running? The correct answer is letter A, RAM.
RAM provides fast, temporary storage for data that the CPU needs to access quickly during operation. It holds information such as running programs, active data, and intermediate results, which are required for the computer's current tasks.